In this video, I'm going to show you how to vectorize an image in Adobe Express. Now, Adobe Express actually has a separate tool to do this, and you can get it by opening the Adobe Express homepage. You want to go to the plus button top left, and you want to switch over from Create to Quick Actions. In here, you want to go to the top here, top right, and you want to type in SVG, or you simply want to scroll and find this tool, which is called Convert to SVG. So here you can see it says file must be JPEG, JPG, or PNG and up to 40 megabytes. So these are your requirements. You want to click on it, and then here it's going to launch this tool where, of course, you can find your whatever you want to convert and vectorize. So I'm just going to go and search for my logo inside the downloads folder like this. And there we go, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on open. Now it's automatically going to start vectorizing the image. As you can see here, it's my logo, and of course it's going to work better for some images than for others, but essentially it's going to vectorize it. So here in my case, it's not perfect because I have like a lot of different shadows in the image and stuff like that, but it still did vectorize it, and it's now an SVG. So if I click on the download button, you'll see that I can now open it, and it's basically an SVG file. Okay, so I've successfully vectorized it. I can go ahead and basically zoom in, and it's not going to lose any quality, and it's going to be like a vector image, okay, which is of course quite convenient and exactly what I wanted over here. So that's how to vectorize images, super easy and quick in Adobe Express. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.